guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing really well. So if you guys are wondering why my face is looking so flat today, that is because I've not done any highlighting or contouring, because I'm testing out a new foundation which you will see in the haul video. So yeah, I recently purchased some of the products from the Nykaa website. So as you guys would know, Nykaa is currently running like an up to 40% discount on the website. I thought it is a very nice excuse or a reason in my case to go ahead and shop some of the products I wanted to try from a long time. So I've got a couple of products. There aren't a lot of products this time. I've just got like 5 or 6 odd products that I wanted to show you guys. So if you guys want to see what I've purchased from the Nykaa sale haul, then please keep on watching. So the first product that I got from Nykaa is this. So this is the Maybelline Dream Velvet Foundation, and this is the foundation I was speaking about at the start of this video, and I have it on my face right now. I'm currently testing this foundation out for you guys so I can go ahead and share my review. So this is the foundation. I've got like nice discount on all the products. Let me open the invoice in here. So this is the new launch foundation from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation, and this foundation is originally priced at rupees 700, which is the MRP mentioned on this foundation. Because of the sale, I got this only for rupees 565. And also, if you guys want to see how this foundation is and my thoughts and reviews on it, then I would definitely link up the video somewhere here if I post it before that or if I post it after that. The link would be somewhere on the screen. So next up, I got this Tresemme hairstyling kit. So this is a Tresemme keratin smooth range, and it also includes a hairstyling kit worth rupees 500. Now I've been eyeing these kits on Nykaa for a while now, but I wasn't in a need of a foundation. I wasn't in a need of a shampoo or a conditioner, but then I saw this again on the website while I was adding these products, and I thought, let me just go ahead and try this before this sells out. So yeah, let me just open this kit. So yeah, so this is how the kit looks like, by the way. It's quite big and bulky. So this comes with a Tresemme. So this has this Tresemme Keratin Smooth Shampoo. This is like a big bottle of how many? So this is like 580 ml. This is the biggest bottle of foundation I've ever owned, and this is originally priced at rupees 420. I also got this conditioner in the same variant. So this is the Tresemme Smooth Conditioner, and this one is priced at rupees 99. So that's like 99 plus 420. So that's like 520 by itself. So I also got this free styling kit with the entire set. When I saw this online, I thought it would be just in a box, but I really like this pouch, and inside the pouch I have this. I think this is a donut bun. And next I've got this. This I believe is to add some volume on the crown. And I also got a tail comb, which is this, followed by this. This is so fancy, you guys. So I believe this is a roller to go ahead and roll out the hair. And this is so cool because it also has a clip on the other side so your hair remains secure. So I think this goes like this somehow. Yeah, fancy. So yeah, this is all I got in that Tresemme hairstyling kit. By the way, you guys, the price of this kit is rupees 565 only. So if you guys would have seen my hair care video, I did mention that I like to add an anti-dandruff shampoo to my hair care routine. I like to use it like at least once or twice a month, depending upon how my scalp is feeling. Lately my scalp has been feeling like really itchy, and that happens in like every winter. Hence I got myself this Head and Shoulder Silky Black shampoo. Okay, so there has been a confusion, you guys, because I ordered for smooth and silky shampoo, but they gave me this silky black shampoo instead. It's mentioned on the invoice also that I was supposed to receive smooth and silky shampoo, which I've tried before and it really works. And since I don't have black hair, I do not use a blackening shampoo. This one is priced at rupees 135, and I got this for like the full price, but I'm not happy. I think I'm just going to write this to Nykaa and see if they can get it exchanged. So next up is bio oil. Now I know that this is a very cliche product that has been in the market for such a long time, but trust me, I never ever tried it. I wanted to try this from such a long time. I heard so many people raving about these bio oil, and I don't want to try it for stretch marks. I actually wanted to try it for my face, because it says on the packaging that it helps with uneven skin tone and anti-aging, and also with dehydrated skin. So I've been facing all those issues lately, and I thought I should go ahead and give this a try. Plus I also saw Devashree's video recently, and she did mention about this bio oil, and she mentioned how great this bio oil is. By the way, it also has vitamin A and E. It has calendula, lavender, rosemary and chamomile oil. It is for face and body, non-greasy, rapidly absorbs, hypoallergenic and suitable for sensitive skin. So I thought it's high time I should go and get one for myself. This one, you guys, is priced at rupees. This is 60 ml by the way, so this is like a smaller version. They have a bigger version as well. And this one is priced at rupees 392 only. I think this is originally priced at rupees 450, but since they had sale, I got this for rupees 392. Last but not the least, I got this. Now this is another product that I was meaning to try from a very long time. Last week one of my colleagues mentioned that she's been using these and she's seen such a dramatic difference in her overall skin texture, and it also helped her with her acne and scars and all of that. And my skin has been acting very weird lately. It's been like becoming dry, and I'm also getting acne and the scars, and I'm like just so fed up. So I thought I will go ahead and give this a try. So this is the La Roche. So this is the La Roche-Posay Ecoflare Duo, and this, you guys, is priced at rupees 1350, and I believe they had like a 10% off on this one, and I got this for 1215 rupees. And I have never used this. It says it's for corrective and clogging care, anti-imperfection and anti-marks, which I desperately need. So this is how the tube looks like. I think it is a serum. So she said that she's been using this along with an SPF, and she's seen like drastic result. And it is a very lightweight serum, and it's getting absorbed really quickly into my skin. I'm gonna start using this from tonight itself, and I'll keep you guys posted about how this works for my skin, and if I can see any difference, and if it actually works really well, I might as well do like a review on this and show you guys how it worked for me. So yeah, please watch out for that. So yes, that's it, you guys. These were all the products that I got from the Nykaa sale haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and found it to be helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you all in my next video.